Python was created by Guido van Rossum in the late 1980s. In Python's interactive mode, the prompt appears as 3 greater than symbols. Ctrl+N is commonly used to create a new Python program file. In Python, comments begin with the hash symbol. In Python, a comma lets you print multiple values in a single print statement. Interpreter is not a token. Tokens include identifiers, keywords, and operators. Operators is not a Python keyword, while break, while, and continue are. Relational operators compare values and are also called comparison operators. Assignment is not a logical operator. Logical operators include and, or, and not. The ternary operator is often called the conditional operator. Python programs can run in 2 modes: interactive mode using the Python prompt, and script mode where code is written in a .py file and executed. Tokens are the smallest units of a Python program, including identifiers, keywords, operators, delimiters, and literals. Operators are symbols used to perform operations on values. Common types include arithmetic, relational, logical, and assignment operators. A literal is a fixed value written directly in a program. Examples include numeric, string, and Boolean literals. Exponent data represents numbers using scientific notation with a decimal part and an exponent value. Arithmetic operators perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent, and floor division in Python. Assignment operators store values in variables. Python supports basic assignment using equals and compound operators like plus equals or minus equals. The ternary operator evaluates a condition and returns one value if true and another if false, all in a single line. Escape sequences use the \# character to represent special characters like new lines, tabs, quotes, or backslashes in Python strings. A string literal is text enclosed in quotes in Python. It can use single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes for multi-line strings. In Python script mode, programs are written in a file and saved with a .py extension. The script can be edited, saved, and executed multiple times using the Run Module option or the F5 key. The input function collects data from the user during program execution, while the print function displays results on the screen. Input values are treated as strings and may need type conversion for numeric operations. Tokens are the smallest elements of a Python program. Common token types include identifiers, keywords, operators, delimiters, and literals, which together form the structure of Python code.